Okay, if you got a battery that is no longer charging your Ring doorbell devices, it could be a separate rechargeable battery like this that goes into the Ring doorbell 2, 3, and 4 generation. Also, the spotlight, the peephole, and the stick-up cam. It doesn't matter. Basically, I'm going to help you fix the battery no longer charging and working in your device. So as you see right now, I'm plugged up to a mini USB power cord, and it's hooked up to my desktop. And when it's charging, it will be red and green when it's charging. So what may be happening with you is you only get it'll stay on red and green and it doesn't charge, or it'll stay on green like it's fully charged. When it's not, you put it in your device and it's still no longer working. It'll just completely power off. So first thing I want you to do is try a different USB cord, and it uses a mini USB cord that used to go into the old Samsung Galaxy phones. You might have one laying around the house. Try it and see if that will charge it. It could be an issue with the cord. Try a different device. So right now I got it hooked up to the desktop. Try a laptop, or preferably hook it up directly to the wall. As you can see here, I got one where it would actually hook up to a power outlet itself. That's ideal. And then see if that will work and fix the issue. Next, if you've tried that, what I want you to do is try to reset the Ring device itself with the battery inside. So go ahead and put the battery back into the Ring device, whether that's the doorbell or the cam or whatever you have. And then what I want you to do is try to reset it while it's powered on, if possible. And to do that, normally what you're going to do is you're going to hold down the reset button. Some are located on the side, and some is underneath the sleeve. And you'll see it'll say reset. You hold it down and do it for 20 seconds. And then what's going to happen is it should start circling blue. And then after it does that, see if resetting your Ring device, see if that will actually fix the issue. Sometimes it will. Now, last but not least, this is called the nuclear option. So what I want you to do is take your battery, if you could pop it out. If not, you can literally take the whole device, the Ring device itself. And what I want to do is I want to pop my battery in the freezer, and it is a lithium battery. And then I'm going to let that sit overnight. You want it in there at least 12 hours. Close it up, keep it in there 12 hours. Take it out. It should be very cold to the touch. And like I said, you could put the battery itself, or literally put the whole Ring device in the freezer itself. This is if you've tried everything else and you're not able to get your battery to charge. Take it out and then let it sit at room temperature for a good 30 minutes until it's warm, room temperature. Pop it in and see if that works, and you might see that magic is happening and it will start charging your battery again. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.